Hi friends, do you know about he and she words? Don't worry, I will tell you. But before that, please watch this entire video because there is a surprise for you at the end. So, keep watching. Boy, girl, man, woman, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, grandson, granddaughter, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, king, queen, prince, princess, groom, bride. Okay, now you guys might be wondering where the surprise is, and that is, ta-da! Yes, here I have a magic card for you. Come on, take it. That's it, friends. Goodbye.